Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Ana from Ana Lopez Arts and Designs. And today I would like to show you a short video of how I am packing my new product. It's already on my website and it's this little darling. It's my new Notepads from my latest collection, Hot Air Balloons in Bristol. And it's the same as the t-shirt I'm wearing today, Hot Air Balloons in Bristol. The Notepads come in two different sizes and both are perfect to place on your desk or in your handbag for quick notes or even in your pocket. Look at this. And the best thing is that both or all of my notepads are printed here in the studio. So I'm gonna show you the materials. So they are printed in 120 GSM high quality smooth paper, so it's a very nice feeling on the touch and very lovely to write on them. The back is a gray cardstock on 480 GSM and they are glued on the top, so all the paper is kept together, and very nice and easy to remove the paper from the notepad. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Hasta pronto. Chao, chao.